Hey guys, so today we are going to be filming with this bad boy. It is the... Did it go out of focus for a second? It is the Morphe 39S. Oh, such a gem palette. But this is what it's looking like. Pretty sure I'll show you again at the end. But yeah, so let's go ahead, hop into the video. Is this the right way to go? Or is it this way? One of these ways. We're gonna hop in this video. Hey guys, so this is what I did today. Obviously, I'm super tired, but I did go ahead. I think it's so pretty. I actually really like the way that this looks, so I did use the Morphe 39S palette for this, which is a really big, pretty purple and pink palette. So yeah, I don't know if I'm getting it all in frame. Let's go back. I'm like poking out from the side of the palette. But yeah, so that's what I did today. I need to finish getting ready so that I can get to work on time. So yeah, I'm gonna leave this video here, but thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.